December the 16th, 2015. Can you believe it? The Fed finally gave us their long-promised rate increase, and probably more done to save face. When you read the logic and the reasoning, they aren't reading the same economic reports that we are, but bottom line is they felt it was time to raise interest rates, and they're going to use whatever comes out of their mouth to justify it, be it factual or not. The market was really tough trading. Only a couple really trades set up nicely for us. The rest of it was just kind of in a scalping mode. Lots of little reverses, very dead, very low volatility. We had hoped to buy in the 154 area to 153.28. That gave us a couple of really nice trades. Our sells were above the market. We were hoping to sell the 154.20, 24 area, and we didn't get there until after the news hit. So we just took our setups, we traded it, took what the market would give us, and got out of the way. First trade was a sell right here. We move our stop to break even on the third bar, scratch that trade. I had a retest failure here that ended up just giving us one. We reversed off of this V right here, bought into the market. That was an 8/32 trade. A little V top right here was a scratch. No trade on that B, no trade on that S. This B just gave us 6/32. Off the top right here, a V top, retest failure. This S, traded it perfectly. You got 10/32. Nice little retest failure. 3-bar low right there. Gave you 5 if you reversed inside of that bar's high. Another retest failure here with the letter S. Gave you 8 if you wrote it out and stayed to here. Retest failure off the low just gave you 5. A retest failure there just gave you 2. Then we threw in the towel. There just wasn't a lot of volatility, and the news was going to hit. This was the news bar, and we didn't have our normal trade. Great trading to the upside. We thought that the first reaction would be to the downside. Higher interest rates usually brings in selling, but the stock market and treasuries had a little trouble after that. But we didn't get our setups all the way up. There wasn't a setup for us. Off the top, we finally get a V high. That was good for 13/32 if you traded it perfectly. This B led to a loss of 3 ticks. Reverse off that S gave you 1. This S, software generated trade, gave you up to 10 if you traded it perfectly. This V bottom gave you 7. This S, if you wrote it out, would given you 20/32. This V bottom gave you 8. So 15 trades possible. Total of 69/32. One loser minus 3 gave you 66 or 2,062 bucks. Great contract to trade. Volatile, big money in the account. Looking forward to seeing you in the room for your 5-day free trial offer.